Warwick Manufacturing Group have kind of been involved in every facet of the business.
We had no real structure to our business, and Warwick Manufacturing Group's definitely helped us with that.
I'm Clara. I founded the Muzzle Movement in April 2022, and we sell dog muzzles, and dog muzzles that are designed to provide dogs with adequate pant room, freedom to be a dog, but prevent them from doing all the things that are dangerous with their mouths.
There's so much stigma about muzzles, people still don't understand them, and that's something that Clara, the founder, has created. We literally educate people on how to use dog muzzles properly. That's never been a thing that's been available.
Our muzzles are also colourful, so we try really hard to make sure that muzzles aren't scary, that people can ask questions and approach and be inquisitive without being worried about the dog that's wearing them.
Clara was sort of not struggling, but looking for the next big turn to make in the business. She needed that sort of guidance and met Warwick Manufacturing Group.
When we first started this journey with them, with the Muzzle Movement, it was a different business and they had different challenges. Over the course of this 1.5 years, the challenges changed, the business environment changed. We actively adapted our approach to fit these different challenges, and that was our biggest value, I think.
You know, what we did at the beginning, you have to, when you're a small business, you start with an idea and you build backwards. So we have got sort of structured processes now for product launches. We have customer support processes that we didn't have before, manufacturing processes, which takes a lot of weight off my plate because I don't have to worry about what comes next. Instead, I can focus on, right, this is the project we're working on, here's the plan, here's the process, and then implement it with the team.
WMG helped Muzzle Movement with an innovative approach for the process optimization as well as the 3D warehouse layout improvement process as well.
So a design that would make sure that we were really efficient and everything was in the correct place in the building. We've already done phase 1, which is behind. So we've got phase 2 and 3, plus a bit of a rearrange of how the flow of the workshop works. So that's like an immediate action that we've already implemented 2 weeks after Warwick gave us the final version.
We don't only look at their internal aspects, we also look at the whole supply chain, the whole value stream.
Everything that they've done for us has helped us be probably 1,000% more functional.
We are like an extension of the business. We look like a university, but at the same time, we are their business partners.
We're a manufacturing team and everything here is manufactured in-house, but I think that we really try and make manufacturing fun. We want to make sure that the team here are as happy as they can be. Even though some of the tasks may be repetitive, I think it's really important that they're happy to come to work every day because they can see the bigger picture and the impact that they're having on dogs all over the world.
If you're a small or medium manufacturer looking to start your innovation journey, then reach out to WMG via our website.